Hey, hi everyone. This is Ashutosh. Welcome to our channel, The Food Canvas. We are planning a series on how to click food photos on your smartphone. We used to post our food photos on Instagram, and people used to ask us questions like whether you guys have a DSLR, how you click your photos on smartphone, do you use natural light or artificial light, or what kind of backdrops and props you use. So we thought maybe it will be an interesting idea to start a series on smartphone food photography. So in this series, we are planning to share some tips, tricks and techniques with people who want to explore smartphone photography without spending much on expensive DSLR cameras, artificial light setups or expensive editing softwares. I personally use this Vivo V11 Pro to shoot food photos. You don't really need an expensive smartphone. So nowadays, even low range and mid range smartphones also provide you some professional settings using which you can click really good photos. So in this series, we will be discussing an end-to-end process of shooting a good photo, including what are the backdrops, props and accessories that you can use, how you can leverage natural light to your advantage, some styling and composition techniques, and finally how you can edit your photos using a simple smartphone app that is absolutely free, and also Microsoft PowerPoint. So before we get started with our first video, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos in this series. So in the first video, we will talk about backdrops, props and accessories that we use for our food photography. Be mindful that these are not mandatory things. Even if you don't have any of these things, you can still click good photos. So let's first look at backdrops. So when it comes to backdrops, there are plenty of options available in the market. Some are really expensive and there are plenty which are not expensive. I personally like vinyl backdrops. Number one, they are not really expensive. Number two, in one backdrop, you get two different patterns back to back. And number three, they are very easy to maintain and easy to store. I will show you a few examples. This is a vinyl backdrop. On the one side, you have completely black pattern. So if you are really looking for dark and moody photography, you can use this one, this side. If I flip it, on the other side, I have different pattern. So this is a concrete one, and if the style really suits, I can use it for some photographs. These vinyl backdrops are easy to store. You can just roll them up and you can store it at any place in your home. They don't take much space. On the contrary, if you have wooden backdrops, they will be somewhat difficult to store, and very importantly, they are quite expensive. Let's see some other backdrops as well. So if you are looking for a bridge pattern, on the one side, there is one pattern of bricks. If I flip it, you have a different pattern. The another one is in marble finish. On the one side, there is one pattern. And if I flip it, on the other side, there is a different one. If you want a wooden table finish, on the one side, you have this kind of a pattern. If I flip it, I have this pattern on the other side. Both are different, so I can use them interchangeably. And these are not really expensive. Somewhere around 1,000 rupees, you can get two backdrops. And I won't say two, I would say you get four backdrops, and the reason is you can use them from both sides. And the another option for backdrops is you can also use the simple card sheet papers, which many times children use for their school projects or something like that. So this is a simple card sheet paper which can also be used. You can have it in different color if you want. I have it in black. I use it mostly for the background when I shoot from the side angles to get that dark and moody feel. But the advantage of using vinyl backdrops is that when you are photographing your food, you can spill maybe water or oil or some ingredients. Then in that case, it's very easy to wipe out on the vinyl backdrop. You can use a damp cloth and wipe it out. There will be no sign of any kind of a stain. So that's why I would prefer vinyl backdrops. But for these card sheet papers, if you spill anything, it can ruin it. So another thing that you will need is a cardboard against which your backdrop can stand if you are shooting from a side angle. This is the cardboard that I have prepared from an e-commerce shipment. So I have cut the shipment box and I have prepared a cardboard out of it. This is something that I use when I am shooting from side angle. You can use something like this, or if you have anything that's equally stiff, you can use that as well. This was all about backdrops. Now let's talk about props. So when it comes to props, there is no fixed formula. You can use any prop that goes well with your theme or the food that you want to present. So on the screen, you can see one picture that we have clicked. It is a traditional Indian food. For this particular picture, we have used a thali which comes in a brass finish, which is really nice. You can see that it has some design and it has a vintage look and looks really antique. So we have used this dish. We have bought it from Stylit 20. I will also give you the link in the description. Along with this plate, there is one small plate that comes in the combination. It can be used to put some small portions or snack. There is also a bowl that comes with it. It again comes in the same finish. It goes well with the set. It can be used for some kind of a kheer or a fluid food. So another plate that we have in our collection for traditional Indian food is this one. It is in copper finish. It is very lightweight. One thing to remember about these plates is they are lightweight. They are not meant to be used for daily purpose, and you should just use them for food photography. We have this kalash in our collection, which is very small in size. It can be used for fluid foods like kheer or anything that's similar. Great prop to shoot food from side angle or even top angle because it has designs from all the sides. Another plate that we have in our collection for traditional Indian food is this one. It is actually in a brass material, very heavy, and can be used for daily purposes as well or special occasions. It comes with a set of 2 bowls. Again, we have a glass and we also have a spoon. We got this thali set from Amazon. We will give the link in the description. So whatever props and backdrops that we are showing in this video, we will be giving the link in the description for all the props and backdrops which are available online. Next, you can get some variety in platters. First, in our collection, we have this black slate which we got from Amazon. It's very sturdy slate. It's made out of a stone, maybe because it's very heavy. You can use this to place some snack or starter of any kind, and it will look really nice. Since it is completely black, it will really bring out the color in your food. So this is something that we have in our collection. We got it from Amazon. Again, you can check the price on the screen. Next platter that we have is this wooden platter, which is really nice. It has a really natural wood finish, and on the sides also there is a texture, and it really adds that uniqueness to your photo. So we have clicked some photos using this platter and they have turned out to be really nice. You can also see the price for this on the screen. It's very easily available on Amazon. So next, we have this simple white plain pasta plate. We use it not just for pasta but any other food. Like you can see a photo of panna cotta that we have clicked in this plate. And since it is plain white, any food will look good in it except white, of course. This is one plate that we have. The another one is this ceramic plate. It has some texture as well, some pattern and some texture. So this is again our favorite plate. We have clicked many photos in this plate. It comes with a small bowl which complements this plate. So this also you can buy from Amazon. We will give the link in the description. We also have a couple of trays. This one is in wood finish. It is very simple and elegant. You can use this tray to maybe photograph your morning breakfast, or as you can see on the screen, we have used it to click a pizza. Since it is square in shape and it has really nice lines, it will really help with your composition. Another tray that we have is this one. This is a rectangular tray and we really liked it because it comes in a different color. It also has really nice looking design. We also clicked some good photos using this tray, and we got both of these trays from Amazon. So we also have a basket with us. You can use this basket to click a photo of a bread or maybe any other food item. As you can see on the screen, we have clicked some puris in this basket. It's really up to your creativity as to how you can use it. So another interesting prop that we have with us is this chai glass holder, which comes with a set of 4 glasses and this holder. We got this in yellow color purposefully because it will really look good in your photos. And we got this from Amazon, but you can also get it from the vendor's official site Verisha, and it is available on Myntra as well. Some more ceramic props. We have this ceramic plate which has a really nice texture. We also have this saucepan. It has a really nice color and it is also made of ceramic, very sturdy and heavy. We also have this basket, which is again made of ceramic and has a wooden handle. This can be used to click photos of small fruits or some vegetables. It's up to your creativity. We have this baking dish, which is in red color, again made out of ceramic, very strong and sturdy. We got this from Nest Asia. They are a little bit on the expensive side, but the quality is really good. Some more props. We have this platter in black color. We also have another platter in black, which has some nice texture. It is a little bit common, but we liked it. And this is a ball, again in black. And we got these three props from Prophet Market in Mumbai. Till now we haven't clicked any pictures, but maybe in future we might, and we'll definitely share those with you guys. This is the kadai, which is made out of metal and has a copper finish on the exterior, and it also has a good texture. So it can really bring out your food, and it can especially go well with curry dishes. Some more small props. This is a achar holder or pickle holder. Then this is something that you can use to drip honey on pancakes or something like that. And this is the pizza shovel. These all are bought from Amazon. Again, talking about small props, we have some knives in collection and spoons as well. So this is the fork, this is the knife, and 2 spoons. So this is a complete set which we got from Nest Asia. Link is in the description. Very good small prop which you can use to hold some grains or anything like that. You can see some photos on the screen in which we have used this prop. Apart from these, we also got some more spoons which are in rectangular, triangular and circular shape. We got this from Pune Prop Store. We will give the link in the description. We also have some glass collection with us. So this is the wine glass. This one is martini. Another one, this one can be used for maybe a cold coffee or any kind of juice or something similar. And this is a small milk bottle, which again we got from Amazon. There is again this dessert bowl, which is from Borosil, and we got it from Amazon as well. So these are all glassware that we have got. Along with these props, I would also like to show you some accessories that I use. Not very frequently, but these are good to have. So first one is this lens. So we got this lens from Amazon again. It's from High Volta company. I don't know if you can see it on the pouch, but I will open it and I will show you the actual lens. This lens comes with a set of 2 lenses basically. One is for wide angle, the another one is for micro shots. The wide angle may not be used so much for food photography. It can be used for outdoor photography. But micro lens sometimes can be used if you want to get really close to your subject. So you can see one photo on the screen of coffee grains. If you want, you can capture those granular details. The price you can see on the screen. I will also give the link in the description for Amazon where you can buy this. It also has an attachment to which you can attach your lens, and it can be further attached to your smartphone. Very handy. It is very easy to carry, but you don't have to have it with you. Not very necessary. So maybe out of 100, I might have used it 10 times or something like that. You won't really miss out on anything if you don't have these lenses. Just your inbuilt camera lens will also do. In fact, many smartphone cameras also provide macro lens inbuilt nowadays, along with wide angle lenses as well. So not really necessary. If you are interested, you can consider buying this particular lens. I also have a Gorilla tripod. You can see it on the screen. I cannot show you right now because I am shooting this video on the tripod, but again, it is very sturdy, very easy to carry, very portable. I got it from Amazon, again at a reasonable price. The link is in the description. So I hope you like this video. I tried to cover everything that we have got with us in terms of backdrops, props and accessories. But if you have any further questions, feedback or suggestions, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our future videos. In the next video, we are going to cover how you can use natural light for your food photography, along with some styling and composition techniques, which is going to be really exciting. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep clicking.